Ladies and gentlemen, we are delighted to welcome you to Wrocław Airport, where the local time is 10 to 1. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the seatbelts have not been switched off for you. Please exercise extreme caution while opening overhead lockers, as luggage may dislodge during landing, fall down and cause injuries. For those who smoke, please refrain from doing so until you reach the designated area, which is usually outside the terminal building. For more information, near routes, car and accommodation, visit our website Ryanair.com. And once again, on behalf of the captain, first officer, and especially our onboard crew, thank you for choosing to fly with us, and we hope to see you on another Ryanair scheduled service again soon. Once again, thank you and have a nice day.
Travel media production, and you can find more like them by going to www.mosstravel.tv. Thank you so much for supporting my YouTube channel and watching my film. It's hugely appreciated. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by going to youtube.com/stuartmoss. Hit the red subscribe button. When you've done that, a little bell will appear. If you hit the bell, then you'll also get notifications about any future travel films which I upload. If you like my travel films, then you might also like my second channel, which is about home and garden. Please have a look for that channel. You'll find it at www.mosshomeandgarden.co.uk, and if you like what you see, please give that a subscribe also. If you'd like to connect with me as Moss Travel Media on other social media, then you'll find me on Facebook at facebook.com/MossTravel. That's the page. And if you'd like to connect with the profile, then the profile is Moss Travelog. If you'd like to connect with me on Instagram to see my travel photography, where I'm up to, what stories I'm telling, then go to instagram.com/StuMoss or do a search for user StuMoss. If you'd like to connect on Twitter, I'm at Moss Travel TV. On Pinterest, I'm Moss Travel Media, which is pinterest.co.uk/Moss Travel TV. On Tumblr, I'm stuartmoss.tumblr.com, or just do a search for Moss Travel Tumblr. On WordPress, I'm wordpress.com/view/MossTravelTV.wordpress.com, or do a search for Moss Travel Media on WordPress. And on vContactor, you can find me by going to vk.com/Moss Travel Media, or doing a search for Stuart Moss. If you'd like to contact me about film usage or any other issue, please just email me on mosstraveltv@gmail.com. And once again, thank you for watching and for your support. I really, really do appreciate it. I wish you all the best of days, happy travels and bon voyage.